let's look at GBP USD. You get, which is the currency pair of choice that we are trading. Okay, so let's look at this. Let's change this to now see what price is doing. The reason why you mark out your levels is to help you see how market reacts to those levels. When market give you good reactions there, please take your trade. All right, now the same thing happened here. Let's look at this. Look at this line chart right here. Immediately this leg got taken out into your trade. You know why? With full body closure and engulfing candle enter your trade. Market can do this. Market can do this from here. Market can likely do this. All right, you get, and also to this level. That's market can still continue to go up, right? But that's not what I'm looking at. This retracement is what I'm interested in. Okay, so that is our analysis, and look at how beautiful it didn't even take up to 30 minutes. This I've already gotten up to 7 to 10 pips from here. Remember, we target at least minimum 15 to 20 pips, and we are done for today. Okay, so you don't have to complicate anything trading. You don't have to make it so hard. Mark out your levels, and these levels are what I'll be teaching you in my next video. Okay, so if you've done this, do well to follow us. Okay, I'm pretty much putting up a book. All right, I'm putting up a book that will help you guys out there know how I mark out my own levels, because I'm a day trader. Okay, so I know the time frame that I'll go to mark out those levels, and the levels that you're looking at, and how those levels interact with volume. Okay, there are so many technicalities, but I will simplify it on my ebook, and I'm gonna be sharing that to you guys. Okay, so stay with us, and don't keep losing trades. You have to learn this skill. You have to understand how it works. All right, you have to understand how these things work. Okay, see you on the next one. Until next time, guys, keep bagging those profits. Okay, sorry about that. Let me change this so that we can see what market is doing for us. And pretty much there are levels that I'm hoping that price will react to. These levels. All right, these levels. So let's see how it goes. And if this happens, you see this accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So price can, if you see how price reacts to these levels, you can pretty much trail your stops to any of these levels down here. All right, I've marked those levels out, and you too can do the same. Now we are entering London session, and look at how price will retrace a bit. Okay, and then bazooka to the ground. See you guys on the next one. Until next time, peace. Alright, so I would have loved to record the entire process, how this market is trending. Okay, I would have loved to, but right now my phone is very low. Okay, but regardless, you would see how this trade is playing out. Okay, you see how this trade is playing out exactly how we predicted it. Now some people will be asking, oh, did you really enter this trade right here? I did actually, but I won't show you how much my account is running right now, because that is not what you need. What you need to know is your confidence is what you're looking for. All right, before you trade, what you're looking for before you trade. Now this trend line, every of this thing has been duly marked out, all right, before this market even started selling. Now I knew from here that this market will buy. When I came to this market around this time, which I won't disclose, I knew that this market would buy. It will either buy into any of these zone or sell into any of the zone down there. All right. So what I had to do is wait. When price gets to those zones, you wait for confirmatory entries. All right. So when you see this entries, you can enter your trade. Okay, you can enter your trade. Now look at what market did. Market came to that place. Now I'm on the 1 minute time frame. That is what I do. Go to my time frame, either the 3 minutes or 1 minute or 5 minutes. Then I'll look for what I want to see. Okay, look at what market did. The market broke this neck right here, because this neck was supposed to hold price. Now if price is to be held at that premium part of the market, if it's to be held, you would have seen price weak inside it and continue to go high. But what did market do? Market violated it with that full body, and that full body from a premium point of view was what gave me the satisfaction to enter the trade. And besides, what else can I lose from this trade? You get? So I entered my trade, and the rest is history. One of the best things that will ever happen to you is to trade from a premium point of view. Now I have this general belief about the market. If market wants to buy, I want to see market trade into some sort of discount, then I will look for my trade to continue the buy. If market want to sell, I want to see market trade into some sort of discount, then I will sell. Now this take profit zone is not a random zone. This place, it is not a random zone. Now you are with me in this market. See how market is respecting every zone, and it's respecting it as it's respecting it. This market might continue to buy, but might continue to sell. But that's not what I'm here to predict the market. What I am here to do is to react based on my confidence and understanding. Okay, and the beauty of it is, this is 7:47 Nigerian time, and this is less than 1 hour. All right, this is less than 1 hour, and my market has giving me 20 pips. Look at this. I'm risking 5 pips to make 20 pips. And now some people will be like, oh, you're risking 1:10, 1:20, 1:30, 1:3. Whatever you are risking, be willing to hold it to your heart. Your risk management matters a lot. All right, it matters a lot. So when you make money in the market, it gives you more confidence to trade. Alright, so the best thing that will ever happen to you, this is my advice to you: always trade from the point of discount and not from the point of premium. No matter how late you are in the market, you always get interest. Whether you are late in the market for buying, you wait for a sell setup. When you are late for a selling, you wait for a buy setup. Market will always give you those setups. What you have to do is to wait, and that is the aspect where people are fucking up big time. All right, so see you on the next side of winning. All right, until next time, peace, guys.